coming up. Third row today, easy peasy. That's it. Let's start it today. You just need this. Here we go. This is where we started. Are you ready? So we're gonna start today the third row on this granny's squares. So we did one here, this is the second, and now we're gonna make the third. So let's start from chain one, and then a yarn over, going to this empty space, and then we've got 3 loops. Then we're gonna put through 2 loops first, and again through 2 loops. And now we're gonna make 3, 2 more. 1 and 2. So we've got now 3. No chain loop here. Then we are looking for the corner. Now we're gonna make a 3. 1, 2, 3. This is a 3. Now, because we're on the corner, we're gonna make a 1 chain loop, and then 3 again in the same place. 1, 2, and 3. So we are creating the square. Now, next space, we are making only 3 double stitches. 1, 2, 3. So now we've got 3 corner, 3 chain, 3 stitches, no chains, 3 double stitches, and now no we don't put here chain, just 1, 2, 3. Then we're gonna make a 1 chain because we are on the corner, and then we make another 3. 1, 2, and 3. So it's creating now nice square. No chain, and the next empty space. 1, 2, and 3. What an amazing day coming up. So have a look what coming next. Next coming up the green color. We're gonna change for green color. That is amazing. We're gonna have 2 colors, orange and green. Now we go back to orange. And again in next we are making corner. 3, 2, and chain, and again the same space, 1, 2 and 3. So that's how nice it's coming. And again, yarn over, empty space, 1, 2 and 3, and the last corner, yarn over, space, and we are making 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 chain, 1, 2 and 3. And we join here and slip knot. And actually in 6-7 minutes we learn how to do another row. So that is a third row, easy, and everyone can learn how easy it is. And now I'm gonna show you how I will join the green instead of orange. So with the green color, we're gonna make this third row. So it is 1, 2 and 3. So we're gonna make this one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna leave this open from the second row. So we finish 1, 2, 3. Then we're gonna put, we're gonna cut, and then pull through tight. Then you holding here the thread at the back, you're putting through this stitch and you're pulling through, and then you're going back to the stitch, you're putting through, chain, holding and putting through, and you've got, see, cannot see anything, it's the same over here, it's the same here. So I will go again for this. Some people making with the needles, oh sorry, yeah, with the needle, sewing needle, but I do usually with the hook. It doesn't make any sense to use sewing needle because you're gonna hide it anyway. This at the end, when we finish, we can put through with sewing needle. Right, so now we're gonna join green. We can go the other place. Sometimes it's better if you go in the other place, not the same place. And we are making a chain, 1, 2. I will do 2 because that thread is loose. And then we do 3 double stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Remember, you never count the first one. this is belongs to like a chain. So you need to make still these chains, and then 1, 2, 3 double stitch crochet. Then we're gonna to the corner, and then we are making 1, 2 and 3, and then 1 chain, and again 3 the same place. 1, 2 and 3. This cars here in Penryn is just like worse than in London. I need to close the window. So I'm back now. I will close the window. Seriously, in this where's the dentist Penryn? If anyone lives nearby Penryn Falmouth, that is traffic so bad, worse than in London. Right, let's go back. So what we do? Another space, and then we're gonna make a 3 double stitch. 1, 2 and 3, and then next space we are making our corner. 1, 2, 3, 1 chain, and again the same space, another 3, 1, 2 and 3, there we go. And next space, 1, 2 and 3. Here we go. And next corner, 1, 2, 3, chain, 1, 2 and 3. Next space, 1, 2, 3, and we are making corner now. 1, 2, 3, chain, 1, 2, 3, and we are closing now onto this chain. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and then we are closing with slip stitch. Ta-da! And we finish. And then this we can take with the needle, sewing needle later on. Here we go. This is so easy, everybody can do it, and here we go. Beautiful granny square is coming. So the 4th we're gonna make tomorrow. So then see you tomorrow, and don't forget hook, yarn and scissors. That is our tools. We'll see you tomorrow. And we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 days we're gonna make. And then on the 7th we're gonna stitch them together.